Hakuna Matata. Means no worries for the rest of your day. Hi, I gotta be at work at fucking by 6:30 to open, and bus don't run, so I'm fucking walking. Been walking since about 4:30. Fucking invigorating. Fucking quietness out here under the fucking stars. Walking, it's cold, feels fucking cold, warm. It's weird and fucking. I feel energized. I didn't get fucking hardly but maybe a couple hours of fucking sleep last night. Tossing and turning and shit. But power nap, man. Power nap like boss baby. I'm out and I'm up. I'm out then I'm up. I'm straight. 12-hour shift today, so I'm about to pump out 3 12s the next 3 days before my fucking days off. If they want to let me work one of my days off, I'm gonna pump a 12 on that. They didn't want to give anybody overtime yesterday, but got massacred where they had no choice but to leave a nigga on making like $17 a fucking hour for 7 hours. You know what I'm saying? I don't give a fuck about the money, you know what I'm saying? It's not shit. It's a point that we were fucking getting. We were getting massacred at work, man. Fucking everybody and their mama brought their car. But I feel good, you know. Who wants to fucking do some easy shit, you know what I'm saying? Easy shit, you know. You can't fucking get in, you ain't gonna get nowhere easy. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta fucking, if everything in your life was easy and hunky-dory, like a motherfucker that was born into a fucking wealthy family, and you know what I'm saying, their life was nice and you know, the bumps weren't hardly anything like somebody without money. But you want to wait, if you grew up like that, a silver spoon in your fucking mouth, it doesn't matter what kind of fucking karate classes and all that shit you fucking took, but you're fucking hella weak. Your heart's hella weak. You know, not talking shit, but compared to fucking somebody that is the fucking bottom of the barrel fucking gutter motherfucker, in and out of jail and prison, drug addict, fucking all that shit. Yeah. Not saying that's a bad thing, you know. If you're fucking wealthy and you grew up like that, then you know, they'll know if they're, you know, you're ascended already. You know, you're already leveled up, so you're already reaping you know, your blessings from God. You know, and I don't know, it's like you usually think like, well, rich people are some greedy mother. No, man. We don't know what the fuck we do with the motherfuckers. That's just a fucking, just our brain making up fucking something. You know, your ego making up some kind of excuse to fucking, you know, to make yourself not seem as like, it's not better, you know what I'm saying? Like, fuck. Your brain or ego will make up anything to fucking try to make itself feel better. Even if it's tearing somebody else down. You know, but it doesn't matter to that somebody else, because they don't know what you fucking are saying about them, because you're like a little bitch fucking thinking fucked up shit in your fucking head about somebody, which is basically talking shit about somebody. You're slandering them, you're fucking judging them, you're basically just fucking a dickhead. Oh, you're a dickhead. Oh shit. JC's, I put this sticker here a long ass time ago. Did nobody touch that shit, man? From the sticker challenge. Look at this, called JC's Steakhouse. It's like my nigga. Turns right around and bites you. Everything just turns on you, just bites you. Dad's gotta go catch a plane. I can't find mommy, where is she? Oh, hey, Haley, baby, your daddy's busy. The song ain't go by itself. I'll give you one of the dogs. You gotta swim by yourself. Slim Shady, yeah, baby. Shady, lock them up, baby. Me and my, homie Trevor, it's like, we got some good talks now. He even, I think I was just talking about it on the last video, how fucking, that I don't know if they motherfuckers see, but I could see, like, it's weird, that shit that, it's not weird, it's fucking magical, you know what I'm saying? Just see motherfuckers that are always bugging out about shit and always in their feelings about something. Oh, your brother called me a dickhead, you know, fucking and crying and shit for the whole fucking day. I don't know what I did. I didn't do nothing to your brother. He's always like, now, man, that nigga's light, man. He's light. He's accepting things. He's not fucking. This motherfucker used to be the most tightest motherfucker with his money. This motherfucker will fucking back into a wall with his ass cheeks and fucking pull out a brick. This nigga's fucking giving money to motherfuckers and shit, like splitting his tips, because he's a lead driver. Lead driver, if somebody comes and helps him every time Express comes through, those are his tips, you know. He's supposed to keep them, but he's been fucking everybody who helps, he's giving them part of this tip, you know what I'm saying? Like, just cause he doesn't feel that right, fucking just taking it. I'm like, that's cool, you know what I'm saying? And he even said about my brother, like, man, Matt's being real nice. He's being hella nice to me, man. It's fucking weird as shit. Like I told you, that motherfucker's like, transforming. And you're not transforming, the motherfuckers ain't transforming by fucking me telling them, hey man, look, do this, do that, do that. You know what I'm saying? I talk about shit, but it's their own decision what they take out of it, you know what I'm saying? Maybe they don't take nothing out of it. Maybe they don't fucking remember anything I say, but it's just being around the way I act, you know, the way my character goes, you know, down in your ass with your head right behind it. Going crazy. Damn, look at the stars. Yeah, he's definitely changing, you know. And I got the house that I'm at now, the fucking Carla Vista, the old house where I was at before. It's like a bunch of young guys, you know what I'm saying? But a lot of fucking energy, a lot of good energy in that motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Other than a little immaturity, you know, towards responsibility, like washing dishes and shit like that. Like, it's not nothing, you know, fucking. I feel real good fucking being there. And my intention on getting my own place, or place with the homie Trevor, is kind of like, I don't even really care about staying here, you know what I'm saying? About staying fucking sober, it's not nothing, you know what I'm saying? Fucking, this is where I'm supposed to be. This is what I'm supposed to be doing. You know, not saying that I'm not gonna fucking get lit, you know what I'm saying? Or, you know, like, it's not like that's it. Shit, man. Fucking, that shit's gonna come back around again and again and again and again. And they're blessings. You know, I don't think of them as something bad when you get that fucking shit out of your fucking head that there's good and bad. That, let me see. How can I put this shit? Okay. think of it like this, okay? If I was fucking talking to my fucking, Randy Allen, the character that plays the Earth Father to, R.I.P. Marcus Allen. He's, I'll tell him, like, look, it doesn't make any sense, if you say God's love's unconditional. That means there's no conditions that he loves us no matter what. And we're born in sin, so fucking, if you're not fucking, if you don't hear God's voice, you're not saved. You know what I'm saying? That's what they tell you. You're not saved. You're gonna die. You're gonna fucking burn in hell. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So if this love is unconditional, then and this shit I seen on a fucking bunch of posts on Facebook where it's telling about the scripture that God forbids homosexuality and forbids this and that, and what did it say? Forbids tattoos and forbids obey the commandments, but obey man's laws. You know what I'm saying too? Like fucking. Like, well, how can you do that? How can you do two things that fucking are complete opposites? And then say them with your mouth your whole fucking life, and keep saying them, and not realize that you're fucking retarded. That you're fucking, you say one sentence, and you completely contradict it the next one. And you motherfuckers swear by the fucking Bible, like, what's it doing for you? What is it doing for you? What has it done for you? Can you hear God talk? If you can't hear God talking, then it's fucking pointless. And no, I don't mean like, hey, what up, my nigga? Not like talking like that. There's no way for me. Angelic language, there's no other way to put it, and there's no way you can imagine it. There's nothing to compare it to. It's magic. It's supernatural. It's ancient alien. Advanced technology origin. I'll tell my Earth Dad all that shit, and it will not do a fucking thing. Not only will it not do a thing, but he will completely fucking, like, I'm done, and fucking just take off. You know what I'm saying? The nigga might even, if he see me face to face, I was talking, he'd probably take off running, because he's like, my ears, I don't want to hear it. You're fucking. Wait, what did Jehovah's Witnesses tell us to fucking be scared of what are they called? Evangelists. No, I've grew up my whole life believing that this word evangelist, fucking, like, I associate it with the devil and Satan because the way I was brought up in the religion. It's evil. They're evil. They're devil. Don't listen to them. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you listen to them, then something's gonna happen bad. Like, fucking God's gonna, like, Satan will trick you and he'll get you in. Like, damn. I didn't even know the motherfuckers were just fucking, like, just wait. You know what I'm saying? They were just trying to. Why would people go out and say crazy shit to a bunch of fucking people that do not want to fucking hear it and that are like, get out of here and shit and fucking. Man, that's fucking courage right there. That's courage, man. And that's love for God, what they're doing right there. You know what I'm saying? They're doing shit that nobody wants. Nobody was like, I don't know. Like when I was a kid and we had to go knock on doors, door to door. Man, there's no time in my fucking whole life that I wanted to do. Every time I wanted to do it, I'm like, shit, I hope they don't answer. You know what I'm saying? Like, it made no fucking sense. I mean, it didn't make a difference. I mean, it didn't make a difference for anybody. You know what I'm saying? Like, just plain, all we're doing is doing the motions of the fucking, of the religion. We're just, instead of just taking all your time and cutting all that shit out, even the name Jehovah's Witness, you know what I'm saying? How you gonna have a personal relationship with God when you just depend on all those motherfuckers? Like, you guys are fucking like, oh, we got the ticket, we got the ticket. We got to just stick with each other. Like, that has nothing to do with Jesus at all right there. When did Jesus pick and choose who the fuck by color or by race or by fucking upbringing, all that shit? Those would be conditions. Saying, yeah, only Jehovah's Witnesses are gonna live. Only Jehovah's Witnesses are gonna inherit God's kingdom. That sounds like a condition to me. Like, if they, you're saying that if they didn't fucking, if God didn't write their path as being a, as they're gonna find me, they're gonna pick the lottery and they're gonna fucking, you know, close their eyes and pick whichever one, you know, boom, and then magic, oh, you won, you picked the fucking Jehovah's Witnesses. Now you know, and God wrote all our paths. Then what's the point of playing when everybody's fucking dead except for fucking Jehovah's Witnesses? You know, it should be fucking completely fucking pointless. You know, and then they're gonna say, well, God is right, you know, he writes our path, but we have free will. And you motherfuckers have no fucking idea what free will means. It doesn't mean what you think it means. Not at all. Not even close, and there's no way that you'll ever know until you wake up. Until you wake up. Nothing that you learned, or nothing that you fucking understand, all the words and sentences and books and everything, they mean something completely different. You know, there's like, it's the angelic language, there's no way to fucking put it into words. You just have to fucking wake up. You just have to fucking seek. And oh yeah, seeking in the Bible, huh? Seeking in the Bible. Oh, that's done you a lot of good, hasn't it? Which Bible are you gonna seek in? Which one? Which one of the fucking thousands of fucking Bibles are you gonna fucking seek in? And for no fucking reason at all, because you can't understand a fucking thing anyway, because you don't have the key. This is you know, and like fucking, let me see, like, so why would there be no conditions but hella conditions? You know what I'm saying? Do drugs, smoke cigarettes, all that shit, all the shit that some motherfuckers are just putting their own shit in there. They're making it that, like, if you can't say that God, when you fucking smoke a blunt, God came and was like, hey, look, I don't like that, so stop that shit. Unless he did that shit, why the fuck are you fucking, you hate God's creation. You hate God's creation? God created everything, and there was not one thing that was created that wasn't created by him. You know, or however the fuck that shit goes, I don't know. You motherfuckers know the Bible front to back. You know what I'm saying? You guys know the Bible front to back. You know what I'm saying? So fucking pointless. Go ahead and, why don't you get the Quran too and memorize that shit too? Means fucking absolutely nothing. You're missing the whole, every religion, you're missing the whole fucking point. You're missing the whole fucking point. If you, Jehovah's Witnesses would grow a beard, man. Grow a beard. Grow a beard, man. Fucking, because you imitate Jesus, why can't you have beards? That was then, and times changed, and oh, you mean like when the fucking Bible was relevant, but it's fucking, that was, you know, and the tablets and all that shit. Well, motherfuckers, there's everything now. There's fucking, it was everything then, but now we got fucking signs and license plates and fucking, and music and movies, TV, fucking video games. Yeah, video games too. You play video games too. Best believe God's that thing too. But you have to be all the way connected. You have to have all 12 chakras open, and you will be in the dream, in the paradise, in the fucking, you'll realize, you'll be in a dream, but you'll know you're in a dream. Yeah, I don't know if that makes any, probably don't make any sense to you, but, so eventually I'll get some, man, I can't wait till, like, somebody does, you know, the thing that I know, like any of the people that are fucking, that are in my, you know, in my path, you know, like, I know my brother's supposed to wake up, you know, my littlest brother, Matt, God showed me that a long time ago when he told me to stop talking to him about the shit, you know what I'm saying, and he showed me that that he's gonna wait, you know what I'm saying, and probably, I'm more than likely, my dude Trevor, him, and I just need motherfuckers to fucking, when their heart chakra gets activated, you know what I'm saying, there's gonna be a couple more motherfucking people that other people are gonna probably think that are crazy, but some people at least are gonna be like, well, we're fucking these guys fucking, there's, you know, that say the same fucking thing, you know, and it's gonna be fucking, everything will be different, man, because I'm not fucking, there's not nothing with the fucking directions to this shit that has to do with worshiping anybody or reading or studying the fucking Bible. It doesn't have to do with any of that shit. It don't have to do with money at all. You know what I'm saying? There's no money. It's free. You know what I'm saying? It's free. You gotta fucking just, you know, open your fucking mind, you know? I guess, you know, somebody will probably try it, you know, when, like me, once you get to that very last straw, you're like, this is, like, I've tried everything in my life. I just can't fucking stop swan diving into hell after I do a whole bunch of hard work to climb out, you know what I'm saying? Cause what? Cause I was, he used me, like, say I'm the donkey, God's on me, and he's using my heart on, he got my heart on a stick with a string in front of me, you know what I'm saying? But it's a carrot, you know what I'm saying? Like, he used, the heart he built for me, my Hemi, my little mama. She's a crystal child, like indigo. She's you know, use her, you know, that's my gasoline right there, you know, like fucking something that's worth fighting for, you know, something that's worth going to hell and back. Going to hell, meeting Satan, you know what I'm saying, and you know, with the only thing on your mind that I have to do this shit because he said that, you know, he did tell me that I wouldn't see her again ever, but, and that she would never know what I did, but if I do it, she will fucking, she will be good. Like, she'll be straight. Like, he'll take care of her. And then attached with that, taking care of her, I get to take care of, my, take care of my daughter, and that everybody else is gonna be straight. You know, they get another shot at this shit. I haven't came to the point. I always keep coming to this point where I just now it just broke right now. He's fucking so simple, and I'm such an idiot. You know, we have to fucking kill this ego, man. For making us look like some jackasses. So I just feel like a jackass because I was about to say, I don't know if who's gonna live, who's gonna die, or all that shit, and then it just boom, just understanding the shit that I've been saying, that still trying to fucking wiggle its way back in to fucking, for me to promote fear when that's not what I'm supposed to be doing, because nobody's going to fucking die. Nobody's going to fucking die. You know, we are immortal. Not only that, but we like our pops loves us. He loves the shit out of us. He loves the shit out of us, you know. He loves us so much for playing the most fucking badass fucking game that, yeah, there was no denying that beyond our wildest dreams, beyond anything we could ever fucking dream of, fucking, yeah, it's so much of an understatement. You know, when I was a kid and you thought that, I heard that, I was like, you know, I'd imagine like, oh fuck yeah, man, like God's gonna kill everybody, you know, everybody that's not Jehovah's Witnesses. It's just gonna be Jehovah's Witnesses. It's gonna be, we're gonna make it a paradise, and it's gonna be fucking animals. Like I'm gonna be able to pet lions and shit, and fucking have a, you know, and that's and swim in the ocean and not be scared of sharks, all that shit. You know, that was what I was fucking thinking. What a fucking, that's some poop and a half. Some poop and a half. That's like the most whack ass fucking dream there ever is. Some fucking, yeah. This reaches all the way to infinity, man. This shit is oof. I'm just like in this fucking super fucking, feel like I'm in this bubble, like I'm in a fucking bubble, and I'm looking at a fucking high def screen, but the high def screen is like all the way around me, and everything is talking to me, and everything is, you know, I feel like I know everything, like I know all the, like I feel like I know everything I'm passing. Like I know this bush, man. Hey bush, what's cracking? You're me. You know, I feel the same as everything. I don't feel the same as a policeman though. I'm just fucking around. We're the policemen too, and they're us. Welcome back. Welcome back. Oh, hell no. Son bitch. Yeah, I fucking don't remember what I was saying, but it'll come back. Oh yeah, it's just kind of, so, you know, I'm about to hit the fucking lotto, you know what I'm saying, you know, to fucking, I'm not gonna hit shit. God is going to, it's God's money, it's his shit. And when he, you know, if he said, if I wanted to know how much of it is, he said all of that shit. All of it. Cool. No, I don't give a fuck about money. I don't fucking care about that shit. So, and I'm supposed to give the money to who he tells me to give it to. And everybody that I give it to is who he sent me to give it to. You know, from him. Motherfucker thanks me, I might fucking slap him and then give him a hug. Tell him, man, don't offend me. You know what I'm saying? Do not offend me. This isn't from me. Why would I give you this shit? You know what I'm saying? This isn't from me. This is from him. Don't fucking thank me. Don't even fucking look at me. Just take it, look up, and fucking and jump and get on your knees and motherfucker start thinking. But my dude, he's like, I can't wait till, man, when you win the lotto, man, I'm about to get me some motherfucking, you know, I'm about to get me some fucking grills. I told him that I'd take them with me, you know what I'm saying, if he wants to help me and shit. He's like, I'm gonna get this grill with pink diamonds and all this shit. And I'm like, missing the whole fucking point. You know, so if he goes, he goes. If not, you know what I'm saying, it's not gonna be some balling ass, we're about to fucking go and do it real big shit. Nah, it ain't none of that shit, man. All the money's gonna go. all the money's gonna go, all of it. I'm not keeping none of that shit. Then after I'm done, then I'll have to fucking go find another fucking job. You know what I'm saying? Cause I don't need that shit. There's people that need that shit. You know, plus they need to know that Pop loves the shit out of us. Everybody. You know, no matter who you are. If Hitler was out here on this fucking streets, that nigga would get money too. He loves Hitler. He loves everybody. There's nothing in there that says you could hate. You know, why does you go fucking, but they say you could hate Satan. Like, when did Jesus hate Satan? When did Jesus hate Satan? Since you motherfuckers read the Bible and go to church or stick your finger in your ass, whatever the fuck you do. When? Oh, never mind, I'm wrong. Because Jesus, when the motherfuckers that killed him, Jesus was like, fuck you motherfuckers, when he was on the cross, huh? It's like, oh, but, you know, nah. I remember what he did. I remember what he did, and you remember what he did. So if you can forgive those people, then who was that just is a dime. That's the message. He's telling me that I'm a dime piece. It's not that it's a dime, it's the way that I found it. With the most unnoticeable little flash in the fucking corner of my eye. Ooh. But yeah, there's like a no Oliver tree. Oliver tree, I don't give, he knows. Let's say like Oliver Tree is that motherfucker's famous. He's blessed. He's talented. He's blessed with the ability to fucking create entertainment for people that basically, some might say, and Jehovah's Witnesses, they say, no, don't listen to Tupac because you got all the Tupac CDs you're worshiping. You're making a false idol out of them. If you decide that you're worshiping them, then yeah, you're making a false idol out of them. But who gives a fuck? You know what I'm saying? The only thing is that there's no God before that you put before Prime Creator. There's no God you put before the Prime Creator, which is, I don't know, fucking 8 billion of us. There's none of us that we put forward, but he makes those people talented and blesses them for them to fucking, for us to have things to love and to enjoy. You know, no matter what you fucking like. You like Marilyn Manson, and then that's what he made. You know, that's what is for you. It's for you. You don't like Marilyn Manson, you like Tupac, then that's for you. You know, I feel good to learn. Damn. I see. Okay, I turned around 2 times. Fuck. This is some bitch ass shit. Now this fucking I wish I could these motherfuckers know this is not Well, they're gonna know soon enough, because I think once I fucking do, when I gotta go on that mission, it's a solo dolo. Solo dolo until motherfuckers get their fucking minds right. You know, I gotta show them by example. You know, there's no fucking, like, why the fuck would we buy a whole bunch of fucking fat ass chains and fucking and gold teeth, diamonds, and badass cars and shit, and then go get money? Like, all that money that we spent on all that dumbass shit would change motherfuckers' lives. Give them a fucking kiss straight from, they're getting basically a fucking kiss straight from God. You know what I'm saying? If you don't, because I'm guessing that the ones that I do give it to, they're specially picked. I'm not guessing, I know they are. They're fucking, so I'm pretty sure there's not gonna be some millionaire that I go up to and give some fucking money to, you know. These are gonna be people that are probably in a higher spot, or, you know, that they're, yeah, they're in a hard spot, or maybe they don't feel loved, or they don't believe in God, or whatever. This shit's gonna fucking, that would be to change, for somebody to get changed just like that. Like, their whole life would change instantly, man. Instantly. You know, you think about fucking, before it was like, boom, I dropped 20 G's in a car, you know, to fucking all people, or like, you know, not no bull, you know, some good cars, but, you know, he let me ride with that fucking stirring around in my head for a while, and then he told me, nigga, being cheap isn't gonna fucking do any fucking thing. So nobody's getting less than a hundo. You know, imagine fucking being if you were homeless and and somebody dropped 100,000 on you. You just fucking took a fucking leap that in life and in consciousness that is and then knowing that there's no other place. Where would $100,000 just fall in the fucking motherfucker's lap? You know what I'm saying? And the motherfucker saying that, hey, God told me to give this to you. What else are they gonna think? Or you think they're gonna be like, oh no, this crazy dude came and gave it to me. He said God told me to give it to me, but fuck, you know what I'm saying? Like, shit, I'm rich, bitch, you know? No, man, it's gonna make new characters out of them, you know? They're new my mouth is fucking hella dry. I don't know. It's just gonna be fun. I know that. It's gonna be fun as hell. Really, I don't know the plan. Like, he encourages me to daydream. Because it doesn't matter what I dream of, what I fucking daydream of. I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. He's snickering like yeah, that's real good. That, you know, it's loving, but it's pretty whack. That's pretty whack of a fucking idea, nigga. I'm gonna show you, you know, there's gonna be something even fucking sicker. You know, even the fucking lotto thing, that shit could be fucking just him letting me fucking daydream about some shits, because he's gonna hit it with something else. You know, I don't know how this shit's gonna turn out, because what would be the fun in that? I don't want to fucking know. I don't want to know the plan. I just want to know the path I have to take to finish my mission. And not that I'm in a fucking hurry to, not at all. Not at all. You know, I'm not fucking scared of shit. I'm taking too long, it's gonna be too late, or am I messing up, or fucking damn it, did I go the wrong way? Did I fucking, I don't gotta worry about none of this shit. I just gotta go. I just gotta go. Man, I got, damn, and I'm still getting hit. 666, man, all fucking day yesterday. I've never seen, I swear, I don't know if these motherfuckers would just kept circling back around and getting their car washed again, but every time I looked at a fucking license plate, it's 666. You know what I'm saying? Not always. Yeah, a lot of 666 and something else, you know, 6661, you know, or some shit like that. But most of some like still counts 66 if it's 6626 or you know or 696 or 969 or it's all the fucking same. It's all the same, you know. A lot of 222s, 333s like a motherfucker. It's I'm getting fucking. It's so fucking. It's shit. I don't gotta fucking worry about am I messing up? Am I fucking you know, why don't I hear him? Now he's fucking like letting me hear him like in the way that ascended interdimensional beings communicate. That's how I hear him, but I can't wait to punch this. I can't wait to punch this day. I can't wait to see some cool shit happen today. I know we're gonna get murdered this Saturday. I got no break yesterday either. I'm not getting no break today. Know that shit. So I better grab me a motherfucking burger or something. Carl's Jr. got that breakfast burger. That shit hit it. Shit hit you in the mouth like. Knock out one of my tooth. That motherfucker's so good. Alright. Time to fucking damn, I'm just like hella fucking relaxed with fucking peace with fucking everything. I'm like in my own world walking around in this motherfucker. But all glory to God, man. Motherfuckers, open your minds, open your hearts. Accept everything, because everything is everything. Everything is you. Love everybody, especially your fucking enemies. Especially your enemies.